to the Philippines! Welcome to Baler! There's not a lot of people today, huh?
No, it's a Friday, so
So tomorrow is
coming
when?
tomorrow.
In order to get to Baler, we have to ride a bus. This is the Genesis bus. We're excited. We can't wait to see the beaches here in Baler. I heard some of the beaches have white sand and clear water and really cool rock formations.
Sand made out of diamonds.
Hello, so now we're here at Salarin Cove, our first stop in the beach hopping. Woohoo! Lighthouse that you could hike up and then enjoy the view. Second stop, Anyao Islets. This place is known for its rock formation. Look at these ladies. See, check them out. Woo! The next beach at Buado. We are at Ampere Beach, the last stop for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.